Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mari, also known as Bajari here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're doing another color series video, and as you guys can tell, today's color is blue. So I have been seeing this colored lash trend go around, but I've kind of just haven't tried it, and I was like, I want to incorporate it somehow in my color series, but not sure what color yet. And today I felt like, why not, let's do it. So I did a blue lash with a settle beat. So if you guys like to see how I got this look right here, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the face. So for today's foundation, I'm using the Frankie Rose Neutral Foundation, and I'm just going to apply that using my finger and then blend it out with a Morphe beauty sponge. Also, I am obsessed with this foundation. So if you guys like to purchase one and save some money, I do have a discount code. My discount code will be right here for you guys. It is so freaking bomb. I've literally said this so many times, but I've put so many people on this Frankie Rose foundation. It's so good. So for today's eye look, we're doing blue. I'm doing something fun for today's look that I've never really done before, so I'm super excited to see how it comes out. Okay, so now for concealer, I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Vanilla. This is an oldie but a goodie for me. I used to use this on the daily, and I was going through my makeup drawer and I was like, you know what? Let me bring it back, because my current go-to is the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. It's literally like a dupe for this concealer, but so much cheaper. But they are both very good. So I like to just put like a brighter color around the mouth area and my chin, and also under the eyes. Alright, so now that I have my concealer on, I'm going to go into my Laura Mercier translucent powder and just take that on the Morphe beauty sponge and set under my eyes. For the rest of my face, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 10 Fair Light. Then to set the rest of my face, I just take it on the beauty sponge as well and just pounce that into the skin. And then go in with my Morphe MB2 powder brush just to wipe it all away. Okay, so for this look, I am doing colored lashes. So I will insert a clip on how I turn my lashes into blue lashes. Roll the clip. So yeah, that is pretty much how I did the lashes. I pretty much took a pair of lashes, covered them with concealer, and then put on the blue eyeshadow on top. I'm debating if I want to do a look or just have these lashes be the main look. Like, Do I want a blue eyeshadow with the blue lashes, or do you want to just keep it simple? What should we do? I'm a little confuzzled. Okay, so I want to keep this look wearable. So I know I'm doing a color series, but this, I also want to keep it so that we can play with color and not have it too much to the point where it's like all up in your face. But okay, don't get me wrong, I love looks like that, but when it comes to color, I like to go lightly in a way so that the look is still wearable. So I think I want to do that today. So what I'm gonna do is pretty much just go into my Hoola bronzer, my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm using a Morphe M533 brush, and just put some of that into the crease because this is the only eyeshadow we're gonna have on the eyes, and have the blue lashes be like the main part of the show. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some bronzer, only because I like to put bronzer on into the eyelid, because when I bronze the whole face, it kind of just ties everything together. So I'm just gonna do this. So yeah, I actually got this idea again from Raggedy Royale, or Raggedy Royal. I realized I said her name wrong in the last video, but I love how she does colored lashes. So I was like, I need to give it a try. So she literally does like a full beat, nothing on the eyes, and then she puts colored lashes, and the look just looks so amazing. So I was like, why not do that for the blue look? So that's what we're doing today. So before people go in with their colored lashes, I've seen them put like white mascara and then top it off with some eyeshadow, the color of the lashes. But I don't have white mascara, but I think I can get away with just not putting any mascara on and put these lashes, and it'll look good because my lashes aren't that dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these lashes using my clear duo glue. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit more bronzer just to put into the crease. It's definitely different. I haven't done anything like this before, but I love the look of it. Alright, so now that we got the lashes on, I'm gonna move back to the face and bronze it. So again, using my Benefit Hoola bronzer, we're going to bronze up. And then taking my Morphe M533 brush, go in with some more bronzer and lightly bronze the nose. Now for blush, I'm going in with my Benefit California blush using a Urban Studio Stippling 204 brush. I'm also going to brighten under my eyes using my Dragon Beauty Face Transformation palette. And I just like to mix both the pink and yellow shade to brighten up under the eyes. Now for highlight, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Hustle Baby highlight. This is like the little miniature one, using a Morphe M510 brush, just to give a little slight glow. Now to set my eyebrows, I'm going in with my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Alright, so now I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of my NYX Milk Jumbo Pencil and put a little bit on my waterline. Just very lightly. Now I'm going to go into my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and apply that on my lower lash line only. Alright, so now I want like a very bright inner corner, so I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics Festival palette and take the shade Spirit and just use that shadow to brighten the inner corner. I'm going to bring it up a little bit into the corner area. Alright, so now for the lips, I'm going to go in with the usual lip liner I always use, the LA Girl Bare Lip Liner. Now on top of that lip liner, I'm going to go in with Wonderlust Nice Girl Lip Gloss. Now lastly, to set my face, I'm going in with my Beauty Creations Peach Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is the completed makeup look for the color series Blue. feeling blue. Let's call this a little feeling blue because it's not too much blue, but it's a slight blue. So I wanted to do blue, but I didn't want to do too much of like a whole blue eyeshadow look. I just wanted to incorporate blue somehow, and I've been seeing this like colorful lash trend go around, and I was like, finally, let me just try it. Like, I always am late to these trends, so I was like, you know what, let me just do it. And I am obsessed on the way that this makeup look came out. It's literally just like an everyday look, but with a pop of bomb bright color lashes. You can honestly do any color lash, and I am tempted to do like every color now. So yeah guys, that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to mine and Angel's channel, which is Amari, Bajari, and Angel. The link will be down below. Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.